Years ago, my family and I took a 60-day RV trip across the country. We were on a mission to find the perfect place to raise our kids. When we got to Mountain Brook, Alabama, we just knew it was something special. But at the time, there wasn't much information online about the area. No real videos, no neighborhood walkthroughs, no insight into what life was really like here. So now, I'm creating the kind of content I wish I had to help you get to know Mountain Brook and see if it could be the right fit for you and your family. Today, we're driving and diving into what makes this city unique. The 3 walkable, charming hubs called villages. But first, a little bit about Mountain Brook, Alabama and its history. It is a green suburb just southeast of downtown Birmingham, and it was originally developed in the 1920s as one of the South's first planned residential communities, and officially became a city in 1942. Today, just over 20,000 people live here. The area is known for its beautiful trees, tree-lined streets, excellent public schools, and a strong sense of community. Homes here are high-end and high in demand. The median price is currently over $1 million, with many selling way above that. What really makes Mountain Brook and gives it its personality are the 3 villages. Well, maybe you're wondering, what are the villages? Well, instead of one downtown, Mountain Brook has 3 distinct commercial hubs: Mountain Brook Village, English Village, and Crestline Village. Each one is walkable, full of charm, and packed with local restaurants, boutiques, businesses. So let's take a closer look at each village. Mountain Brook Village is considered that classic center. Mountain Brook Village is the largest and the most developed of 3. It's home to the beautiful Grand Bohemian Hotel with a rooftop bar, spa, and upscale dining. Nearby, you'll find Davenport's Pizza, a local staple since the 1960s. Leaf and Petal is a gorgeous florist and home gift store. Gilcrest is a beloved soda fountain lunch spot. It's delicious. Famous for hand-squeezed limeade and pimento BLT sandwiches. You'll also find Brick and Tin. It's a cozy lunch and dinner spot with fresh seasonal dishes. And Lane Park is the newer section of Mountain Brook Village, and that's brought in trendy stores like Crumble Cookie, Ladybird Taco, Little Betty's Steakhouse, and Starbucks Coffee Shop. Just steps away from this village are 2 of the city's biggest attractions: the Birmingham Zoo and the Botanical Gardens. It's definitely worth taking a look to walk through the gardens, and nice thing about it, it's free to all the guests. Number 2 on our list is English Village. It's quaint and upscale. English Village has more of a European walkable feel. It's the smallest village on our list and could be considered quiet compared to the others. You can start your morning at the Continental Bakery or grab lunch at Chez Lulu, a French cafe with sidewalk seating. For dinner, try Vino with wine and small plates under the twinkling lights. Key Circle Commons is a stylish swanky bar where locals meet up for cocktails. And Little Hardware is a must-see. It's a charming little hardware store that's been around for decades. Crestline Village is third on our list, and we would consider that like the family-centered and full of life village. Crestline is very family-focused of the three, and at the heart of the village is Crestline Elementary School, which means there are kids everywhere walking to school, riding bikes, grabbing snacks with their friends after class. Almost forgot to mention that all of these villages are like 20-mile-per-hour zones. And in Crestline, they have a strict no cell phones around the Crestline Elementary. Crestline Village feels like a true small town Main Street. You've got great food options here like Crestline Bagel Company, Odie's Tavern, La Paz Mexican Restaurant, Slim's Pizza, Taco Mama, and Surin of Thailand. There's also Smith's Variety for gifts and toys, and of course, the Piggly Wiggly grocery store that everyone loves. I also love the Pants Store, which is in this downtown, and it has fantastic, reasonably priced women's clothing with tons of big sleeve Southern options, so it's great. This village is also home to the O'Neill Library, Mountain Brook City Hall, and the police and fire departments. Also right next to the schools are the brand new pickleball courts, which get packed with pickleball energy every night. It's a lot of fun. Crestline is where families gather, neighbors know each other, and kids grow up playing outside. So whether you're drawn to the classic charm of Mountain Brook Village, the European vibe of English Village, or the family-first energy of Crestline Village, there is definitely something here for everyone. If you're thinking about relocating to the Birmingham area, I'd love to help. I'd love to help you explore your options. I'm Holly Leaker, a local realtor with Keller Williams in Homewood, and I specialize in helping families make the move to Mountain Brook. So if you're planning on moving to the area, then I've made a handy-dandy relocation guide to help you decide where you and your family may fit in. Just click the little link in the description and I will send you your own little free guide. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel, and let me know in the comments if there's another area or neighborhood you'd like for me to cover. Thanks so much for watching, and welcome to Mountain Brook.